today we are solving 1716 calculate money in Leetcode bank. So Hershey wants to save money for his first car. He puts money in the Leetcode bank every day. He starts by putting $1 on Monday, the first day, and every other day from Tuesday to Sunday he will put $1 more than the previous day. Okay, so on Monday he has put $1, and from Tuesday to Sunday he is putting $1 more than the previous day. So 2 on Tuesday, 3 on Wednesday, and so on. Okay, so what he does is on every subsequent Monday he will put in $1 more than the previous Monday. So now the Monday again comes and he will put $1 more than the previous Monday. So he'll start by putting $2 here, and from Tuesday to Sunday he will just put $1 more than the previous day. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how he is putting money. So we have to find the total money in his bank account on the nth day. Okay, so we can see this pattern on week 1. He is putting this money 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total money is 28. On week 2 he is putting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is this? 7, because $1 extra on each day, and the same money as 28. Okay, if you will like remove $1 each, then it will become the money as week 1. Okay, similarly for week 3 it is again 7 plus 7 and 28. So this is how the money is being put into the bank, and we have to calculate the money on the nth day. So let's say if we are on 25th day, so how many weeks would have passed on 25th day? It will be 25 divided by 7, which is 3 weeks. Okay, we are currently on the 4th week, but we cannot take the entire money of the 4th week because we are in some day in 4th week. So in total we are trying to get the number of weeks that have passed and the day in which we are currently in. We'll have week as n divided by 7, and on the day which we are currently in it will be this. Okay, n mod 7. So for week we have some kind of a pattern, and that's how we will try to get the money in the previous weeks. And for a day we will try to calculate whichever week we are in, we will try to sum up the money on those days. Okay, and let's see how we are trying to get the total money in the weeks prior to the current day. So on first day it is 28, on second day it is 7 plus 28. So we can see that 28 is emerging in every week no matter what, and if we multiply 28 by the number of weeks which we are dealing with, then we will get at least the money contributed by 28. Okay, so it will be 28 multiplied by number of weeks. Okay, so this 7 is also actually forming a pattern. If you will notice, it was 0 on first week, 7 into 1 on second week, 7 into 2 on second week. So if we will just take the 7 as common, then we will get 7 in bracket we will get 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. Okay, so this is like sum of first natural numbers, and this is actually calculated by n into n plus 1 by 2. So we can simply get the multiple of 7 by this. So we can multiply this with 7 into sum of first natural n numbers, but n here is actually 1 minus the weeks. Okay, so if we are on week 4th, we are only going to deal with the third week money. Okay, so this will be weeks minus 1 and weeks divided by 2. Okay, so this is how we are getting the total money in the weeks. Okay, so now let's talk about the total money we are going to get on the days that are left. Okay, so let's say if we are on the 5th week, then we will start getting money like this, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, something like this. Okay, then if we will just remove the number of weeks that have already passed this, then we will get this kind of a series. Okay, so for the difference of each day is going to contribute some money. Okay, so this is going to contribute some money, and the difference is also going to contribute some money. So from week 1 to 5, the difference is going to be 4. Okay, so we are trying to get the difference multiplied by how many days that have passed. If 4 days have passed, we will multiply it by 4. If 5 days have passed, we will multiply it by 5. Okay, this 1, 2, 3 is after removing the number of weeks, whatever is left, that is a AP kind of series. That is this. Okay, so for the days, we are going to do days multiplied by days plus 1. So this is the AP kind of a series, and total number of days multiplied by the difference. What is the difference? Difference is the number of weeks that have passed. Okay, so this, and at the end we can simply return our money. So let's try to submit this. So the time complexity for this solution is going to be order of 1 because we are manually calculating everything by a formula, and it is not going to cost anything. And space complexity is also going to be order of 1. And yeah, I think that was all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next one. Bye bye.